Hello, I'm back with another video. In this video, we will learn how we can fix Wendy's app not working problem. Mobile apps make fast food even faster and more convenient. The Wendy's app, for example, lets you place orders on your phone and then select in store pickup or at home delivery. Now, there are lots of possible causes when the app is not working. So here we will show some ways to troubleshoot and solve your problem. Now the first thing you can do is to check your internet connection. Now if your internet connection is poor, you can't use the Windy app, so just temporarily disable your Wi-Fi and rely on your cellular signal instead. If your internet connection is stable and strong, then it's not the case. Now you can do is to close the app and then start it again. Now for that, go back and clear these apps from your mobile and then again reopen the app. Often that will also fix the problem. Now if this solution doesn't fix the problem, head over to the third solution. Now the third solution is to see if the Wendys online server is working. The Wendys server is rarely offline, but if the app isn't working, that's a probable cause. Before you try any more time consuming or complicated troubleshooting steps, check the status. Now head over to the web browser and there search for Wendy's app down. Now if there's any kind of report that says Wendy's is not working, then you cannot do anything but to wait until it fixes the problem. But if this is not the case, then you can do is to clear cache of the app. Now for that, tap and hold the app and there tap on app info option. Now there tap on clear data option. Now tap on clear cache. It should solve your problem. If not, lastly, you might need to reinstall your app. For that, tap and hold the app and then tap on remove option. Once you remove the app from your device, head over to the Play Store. Now there search for Wendy's and then tap on install button to install the app. And once your app get installed, get logged into your account. Now this should solve your problem, as removing and reinstalling the app will remove all the glitch or bugs from the app and helps to refresh the app. Now that was the step-by-step process to solve Wendy's app not working problem. I hope you liked and found this video useful. If you did, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for today, and I will see you in the next one.